Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, analytic geometry. Okay, ano ibig sabihin ng ordinate? Ibig sabihin nito ay yung y-coordinate.
Oh.
Ano yung tawag sa x-coordinate? Abscissa.
I
Abscissa
remember.
and ordinate. Ayun. If you're gonna draw the Cartesian plane, so meron ka daw isang point A na nasa positive y-axis. Ibig sabihin, this is the y-axis, x-axis. Positive y, that means above the x-axis. So A3 can be somewhere here. Ibig sabihin, from this point to point A, this distance is 17 units. Paano na nahanapin natin si coordinate of point A? Ba't hindi na lang hanapin pati x-coordinate? Pag sinabi natin nasa y-axis, ano lang nga masasabi natin sa x-coordinate niya?
0.
Kaya hindi na kailangan hanapin si x. Okay?
Ah.
This is basically like finding the distance between 2 points. Distance formula. Na anong inspiration behind the distance formula? Pythagorean theorem. Ang inspiration niya. So the distance is equal to the square root of x sub 1 minus x sub 2 square plus y sub 1 minus y sub 2 square. Ano ba yung mga x and y coordinates ng bawat isang point? So, point A is your x is 0, your y, say kunyari, y natin. Point B is 8, 3. And the distance is 17. Square root 0 minus 8 squared plus y minus 3 squared. So that means you have to square both sides. Then, what's square of 17? 289. Equal to, matanggal na sa square root. The 0 minus 8 is negative 8. The square of negative 8 is
Positive 64.
okay, positive 64. Plus y minus 3 quantity squared. So 289 minus 64, that will give us 225. Para makuha natin si y, kailangan natin yung ulit na square root both sides. So, what's the square root of 225?
15.
When square root both sides, you have to make sure that you have to put the positive
and
negative side. So, dito magiging y minus 3. Simply, transpose the negative 3. 3 plus minus 15 is equal to y. So, that means we have two possible values of y. First y would be 18. Y sub 2 is negative 12. But take note, anong sabi niya dito? The point lies on the positive y-axis. Therefore, answer natin dito is 18, which is your letter B. Okay? Yan lang.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCAT.